Look at all these little bags and pieces. You're already overwhelmed, aren't you? It's just hardware. Try not to lose half of it before you even start, though I'm sure you will. Grab the base pieces. We're putting in the cam bolts. And for the love of all that is holy, don't over-tighten them, or you'll crack the finish immediately. I know that's asking a lot for someone like you. Now try to snap these frames together. It's like a puzzle, which should be right up your alley, assuming you didn't struggle with those as a child too. Look at these corner brackets. Try to attach them without stripping the screws. I'm waiting for the inevitable crunch sound that signals you've ruined the piece. We're prepping the vertical panels. Look at all those dowels. Please make sure they're going into the right holes, though I know counting to 10 is already a challenge for you. Start building the carcass. If it wobbles, that's on you. If you didn't seat the cam locks correctly, it's going to collapse. Just try not to cry while you're doing it. Closing the box. Make sure everything is square. I can tell by the look on your face you don't even know what a square is. It means not tilted. Genius. Do not skip this. I know you think you're invincible and your walls are perfect, but drill the hole. If you skip this, it's going to fall on you, and honestly, you deserve it. Building the drawer. It's delicate. Just like your ego when you realize you put the bottom panel in backwards. Good luck with that. Put the doors on. I guarantee you'll have them uneven. You'll spend an hour fiddling with the hinges while questioning every life choice that led you here. Enjoy the mediocrity.